Once again, no physical progress was made on the village, but we did make progress last night because we discussed and we went and purchased some stuff to be able to build in this back corner here. So we did put the styrofoam end pieces for the tunnel in place just to kind of get an idea of how the layout's gonna look. This piece is one of two, and I did decide I'm going to rebuild this piece. There is a lot of table space behind it that is getting wasted, and I'm gonna need all the table space that I can. So that's gonna look different. And then this piece here, I decided I would rather have a wood piece. That way I have more stability in this corner to be able to build up. Now, storage is a huge factor when it comes to all aspects of the village. This wood piece of the tunnel goes up in the, along with all the styrofoam, goes up into the garage attic, and the entryway to the garage attic is kind of small. So we discussed about making this piece a little bit wider, you know, just taking the top off and then making it wider, but that would affect getting it into the attic. So my husband's solution is just to go ahead and build another piece that will fit behind this piece. So as you can tell, there's table space. So I don't remember how much more. It's not gonna be much, but it's gonna give us that stability to be able to build up. So I keep hitting the styrofoam that's on the table. I guess it's gonna start at the end of the wood piece or the wood tunnel already, and then go all the way over on the back side of until it hits the end of the table here. And then that corner tunnel piece is gonna be built just right in front there. So it'll be easier to get it up into the attic, and then it might actually be able to go inside the actual train tunnel right now, the wood piece. So that's kind of where we're at right now. As far as going up, we're gonna worry about that after he gets that built. I'm not gonna bother him with getting that built just yet. He's got a big test at work tomorrow that he needs to focus on, so he doesn't need to worry about this part of it. But we did talk about using this crate somehow. I mean, I could go get more of those, make it easier, but those are kind of expensive, so it might be just cheaper to buy more pieces of scrap wood at Menards or whatever, and then just build little sections to be able to get that height that I want. So when we were at Menards picking up the material that we needed for that little platform that we got going on over there, we picked up another package of my styrofoam base. I got this question a lot last year. What do I use? I guess it's basically insulation. So it comes in a package of 6 sheets, and they're 1.5 inch thickness. So what I can do while I wait for my husband to build those 2 bases back there is I can fit the tables that don't have styrofoam base with the styrofoam base now that I have the new package. And then, so basically I can do this table over here, and then I can do this table here. And then I'll get my little carver out and carve into the styrofoam to give it that decorative edge. And then I did notice I do need to go and grab another tablecloth, because you come over here, you can see underneath the table. And then I think I will go ahead, after I get these fitted, I might just grab out my electric stuff and just start kind of putting things in place. That one is definitely a progress for sure. We did also discuss the bridge last night. I don't know as if we actually got anything to do for the bridges. So that is something, oh wait, no. He had some stuff out in the shed that we can like build and kind of put together something. So I do have, or we do have an idea for the bridges. So that's kind of the update for today.